That is the Blackhawks fan, the #1 Blackhawks fan. That is Ryan Finley. And then back there all by himself making a return. Last time he was here at Rockford Speedway was 11 years ago. That is the father of the 4 car. That is the 21 of Ken Drangmeister out of Crown Point, Indiana. And that's your lineup for the Illini Racing Series Midgets as they're getting ready to run 6 laps. And they're going to wind them up. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And it's going to be Doug Orseski trying to get around the 4 of Rich Drangmeister. Ryan Finley going to go right with Orseski. Somebody just lost a part. It went into the pits. We'll see what happens next time around. That could get interesting, as it's going to be Orseski, Finley. Kerner's now making his move. The 4 of Rich Drangmeister, I believe he is a rookie in this division. Might be his second or third night in the car. Never been at Rockford, I don't believe. Second lap going around, that's going to be Orseski to hang on, but he's got Kerner and Finley right behind him. All 3 of those drivers have won features here at the Rockford Speedway. Once again, this is going to be a 6-lap heat, so we are now halfway through this race for Doug Orseski as he's bringing them around. Looks like we're back to single file racing here. It's Orseski, Kerner, Finley, Drangmeister, and Drangmeister. But the son's beating the dad. I wonder if the dad's going to make a comeback here. Let's find out. We could have a challenge for the lead as Scott Kerner starts to look to the inside of Orseski. So Doug Orseski feeling the pressure from Scott Kerner as we may have a battle for the win here. Let's see what's going to happen. Oh, Kerner gets sideways. What's going to happen? Whoa, that was close. Doug Orseski hangs on to that win over Scott Kerner, who gets second. Third place is going to be Ryan Finley, the Blackhawks car. Fourth place is going to be our rookie Rich Drangmeister out of Hobart, Indiana. And our 5th place driver, the 21 of Ken Drangmeister. Those cars are pretty cool to watch going around. Name. Have to make a slight note here. We have another school, and our next division is going to be the High School Racing Association here. Their first time here at the Rockford Speedway. We'll let you know who's going to be in these cars.